At the outset, I would like to inform you about the status of voting and the poll percentage. As you all are aware that the EVM voting, which was recorded, was about 6,20,000 people voted through EVMs. Apart from that, we have so far till 8th of December received 526 electronically transmitted postal ballots of the service voters. And we have got 11,618 postal ballots of people who are working within Mizoram. So on the whole, if we calculate the percentage of votes which we have received, it is 81.64%, including the postal ballots which have been received so far. Now, apart from this, I would like to brief you on the status of counting and the counting arrangements that we have made. So, counting of votes will commence tomorrow at 8 o'clock as per the instructions of the Commission. 40 counting halls have been established, one for each assembly constituency, and there are 40 separate strong rooms from which the electronic voting machines will move to the counting halls. On the whole, there are 13 counting centers across the state which have these 40 counting halls. And there will be 347 tables which will be set up depending on different configuration in different places. Different districts have, depending on the polling booths in different assembly constituencies, arrived at a number of rounds which they will be calculating the voting in. So, for example, in Long Clyde, in two constituencies, this is 5 round counting, apart from the postal ballot counting. In Saiha, again, it is 5 round and 4 round. In Lungle, it is 3 rounds and 4 rounds for one. Sarchip, it is 3 rounds only. Champai, it is 5 rounds and 4 rounds. Aizol, it is 3 rounds for all of Aizol. Mamit has the maximum in two constituencies. It is 6 rounds and 5 rounds. And Ulasib is 5 rounds and 3 rounds. So, as all of you are aware, that the counting starts with the counting of the postal ballots. And postal ballots this time, as I mentioned earlier, of two kinds. One is the regular postal ballot of employees who are working within the state, and the second category is of service voters who are outside the state. So a separate table is being established for in each counting hall for the postal ballots. So 30 minutes within the counting of postal ballots, the EVM counting will start. And after completion of one round only, the next round of counting will start. So the machines of the next round will come only when the first round has been completed. So